हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग। वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। टुडे आई विल टीच यू अबाउट फेमस फर्स्ट ऑफ इंडिया एंड अबाउट यूनेस्को हेरिटेज साइट्स। ओके, so let's begin with a good thought. Okay, yes, when the word says, when the word says give up, hope whispers. Try it one more time. Hope is that thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Okay, so the meaning is the word will tell you. The word will tell you to give up, leave the thing. Okay, for what thing you want to achieve, you are trying, and if you become failure in that thing, and the some people are saying to you to leave this work, so where you have been standing at the door beginning to come in, and it refuses, it opens of your of you. That's life way of saying to give up. Okay, your friends and family might even tell you the same when you are meet with failure and setbacks. Okay, it's the world. It's the world telling you to let it go. When you have wasted too much time and too much money, it is another shout for you to throw in the town. Meaning is, okay, it is the hope. So it is the hope in your heart that whispers, that is telling to you, you must try one more time to get success. And when you hear a whisper, do as it says, try again. So you should not leave the hope, and you must try again, and definitely you will get success. Okay, let's begin with, with an extra knowledge. Okay, did you know, students, people generally read 25% slower from a computer screen compared to a paper. Okay, यहाँ पर आई एम टेलिंग कि द मीनिंग इज कि जो हम पेपर पर पढ़ते हैं ना बेटा, तो दैट इज 25% अर्लियर, यानी कि हम उसको जल्दी से उसको रीड कर पाते हैं. वी आर कैपेबल टू रीड on a paper very quickly, but on a computer we take the same thing in reading 25% slower. Okay, 25% हम उसको थोड़ा धीरे पढ़ पाते हैं कंप्यूटर पर. ओके, बट सो द पेपर सेव्स टाइम. पेपर से क्या सेव हो रहा है, हमारा टाइम सेव हो रहा है ना. एंड बट कैन नॉट सेव ट्रीज, बट पेपर कैन नॉट सेव ट्रीज. सो वी मस्ट, both are important for us. Okay, so we must try to use the paper wisely and carefully. Okay, and properly. I hope everybody will follow this thing. Okay, yes, do you know one more fact? Lobsters don't have brains as their nervous system is very primitive. Lobsters these are the lobsters, and these are having old or ancient nervous system. That is why they do not have brain. Okay, उनके brain नहीं होता है. Yes. Now one more fact, students. There are over 264 species of monkeys. Monkeys के 264 species are found all over the world. Okay, you must share this knowledge with your friends, with your family members, and with your relatives. Okay. Now, just famous first of India. Okay, do you know who is the first president of India? He is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Let us see if you know about the famous first of India. And famous prime minister is huh? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, isn't it? Yes. Now read the descriptions below and write the names of the famous first of India. Okay. So who is the first and last Indian Governor General of free India? So who is that? He is C. Rajgopalachari. C. Rajgopalachari. Okay. Our next question is first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India. So who is that? K.M. Kariappa. Who is that? K.M. Kariappa was the first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India. Okay. Now who is the first to receive the Bharat Ratna? Okay. So C.V. Raman. C.V. Raman C.V. Raman was the first person to receive, to get the Bharat Ratna. Okay. And who is the first speaker of Lok Sabha? So who is that? Ganesh Vasudev Malvankar was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha in India. Okay. I hope everybody understood. Now, fifth one is first education minister of India. So who was that? Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the first education minister of India. Okay. Now look at the sixth one. Who was the first home minister of India? Okay, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first home minister of India, and he is also known as Iron Man of India. Okay, yes. Now, did you know Lord Mountbatten was the first Governor General of Free India in our country when India became independent. So at that time, he was the first Governor General. At that time, the first Governor General was Lord Mountbatten of our country. Okay. Now look at the UNESCO heritage sites. Yes. Do you know India has 38 World Heritage Sites listed by UNESCO. This makes India among one of the top countries in terms of several World Heritage Sites. Okay. And how many have you seen so far? Let's check. Yes. Now look at the monuments. Okay. This monument is located where and what is the name of this monument? Okay. This is Hampi. This is located in Hampi, Karnataka. Okay. This monument is located in Hampi in Karnataka. Now look at the number 2. Yes. Number 2 monument is located in Bodh Gaya, Bihar. In Bodh Gaya, Bihar. And look at the third one. The Sun Temple is located in Odisha. Okay, at Karnataka. Now look at the fourth one, Ajanta Caves. Ajanta Caves are located in Maharashtra. Okay, and here look at the fifth one. Yes, this monument is located Rani Ki Vav. Rani Ki Vav and located in Gujarat. Okay, I hope everybody has understood. Now, do you know Taj Mahal was built by a whopping 22,000 laborers, painters, stone cutters, and calligraphers. Okay, 22,000 laborers and 22,000 painters and 22,000 stone cutters and 22,000 calligraphers were cooperated in making Taj Mahal. Okay, all these people, laborers, painters, stone cutters, and calligraphers cooperated to build Taj Mahal. Okay, I hope everybody understood. Yes. Now let's assess your knowledge. How much you know now? First and last, first and last, Indian Governor General of India. Yes. Do you know? I'm just writing jacket. Okay, so who was that? C. Gopalachari. Okay, C. Gopalachari. You must note down. Okay, C. Gopala. C. Rajgopalachari. Okay, C. Rajgopalachari. Okay, remember? Yes. Now look at the second one. First Indian Commander-in-Chief of India. Okay. So who is that? Hmm? First Indian Commander-in-Chief of India. So who was that? That is K.M. Karyappa. I'm writing. You must note down it. K.M. Karyappa. Got it? All must have to learn and share knowledge with your parents, your family members, okay, and with your friend circle. Now look at the third one. First Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna. Who was that? Yes. So C.V. Raman. Yes, C.V. Raman. And who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? Who was that? Ganesh Vasudev Malvankar. Ganesh Yes. Okay. I hope everybody understood. That's for today only. Okay. I hope everybody understood and understand. Okay. Now, thank you. Have a nice day. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with your friends and family members. Okay. Thank you.